Alright guys, what's going on? I'm going to show you how to reset the change oil light on these Ram 2500 2012. Alright, here we go. Here we go, you start it up here. Turn the key on, don't start it up. You can see here in a minute it'll come up, change oil change due. Alright, there it is right there. What you're going to do is you're going to turn your key off, turn your key back on, push your gas pedal 3 times, turn your key off. Turn your key back on, it should get rid of it. Let's see. Zero messages. Yep, it's gone. Good old tire pressure sensor. Sensors in the winter. Nice. Alright guys, there it is. 2012 6.7 Cummins oil change due reset. Have a good one.